Okay, I'm excited to introduce you to two of the lesser known applications on your computer, and those are Stickies and Reminders. So as you can see here, Stickies are great. Stickies are basically a digital post-it note. So if you're a paper post-it person and have post-its everywhere all over your desk with reminders on different things, you might want to consider organizing yourself and creating digital post-its or digital stickies instead. So to access your Stickies application, just go to your quick search bar tool, start typing in Stickies, hit enter, and that's going to pull up your Stickies application. I have a big sticky here with my little message for you, but if you want to create a new note or a new sticky, just go to File, New Note, and a new sticky is created. And this is kind of the default size that you will see for your first sticky. So you can give yourself little reminders here or whatever it is that you're currently writing on your Post-its. You'll see that both of these are yellow, but if I want different colors of stickies, once it's made, I can just go to color and say, I want this one to be green. And you can do that with any of the new notes that you start making. Okay, so you can make them different colors so they kind of stand out as you work with them on your computer. When you're making your stickies, you can do different items with the font. So you can have bold, underline, italics, make them the font larger or smaller as needed. Additional items with your stickies you might want to know about is that you can make them translucent or see-through. So as you build lots of stickies, you can see all of them. You can decide how they might want to be arranged on your screen. And then I also like this at the bottom. You can quickly see all the stickies that you have on your computer with kind of the first words on that sticky if you're looking for a particular one. Okay, so if I want to pull up that one, there it is, and that's giving me that information. So Stickies, easy tool, great to use. Another nice feature about them is that they don't disappear unless you actively delete a sticky. So here I'm going to quit the Stickies application. They're gone, but I have no need to fear because if I just go right back to Stickies, everything is there without me hitting save or anything. Okay. All right, the next application is Reminders. So same thing, I went to my Spotlight search tool. I'm typing in Reminders. Reminders is exactly what it sounds like. It allows you to create a digital reminders list. So if you want to create a new list, just click Add List down here at the bottom. Let's say I am planning for a PBL unit and I want to create a to-do list for myself on the items I need to accomplish. I give it a title here once my new note is listed, and then I can click on the note and start adding my items. So maybe I have a guest speaker coming in for the unit. Okay, I can hit the plus sign to add another one. I can do my student groupings for the unit to prepare, so on and so forth. So I can list all of my items. You can also here, once you hit make your item, hit the little I. And when you hit the I, this allows you to give yourself a reminder on the day or at a particular location if you need to. So you can kind of even enhance this reminders to make it do even more for you productivity-wise. Also, when you finish something, you just hit the circle and you're going to see it nicely fade away. Very satisfying done on that item for your to-do list. Now, if I select everything, notice that they are gone from this list, but it just tells me 2 are completed. And I can hit show and those are going to come back. So I can see what's done and what I would still have to do. So still have to do here, okay? Another nice feature of reminders is that you can share these reminder lists with other people. So let's say within a PLC group or a team, you guys are all working on preparing or planning for something, and you all want to work off the same to-do list. You can hit this little share button next to the reminders and determine who you want to share it with. The only caveat is that you do need to have your iCloud activated on your computer in order to be able to share with other people because you share to their iCloud account. Okay, so that's a quick look at reminders, a wonderful tool both personally and professionally to stay on top of all of your to-do items.